Right, here we are then. The start of the Ultra X Wales training, 24 weeks worth. I say the start of it, which actually started 3 days ago. I wasn't supposed to be running until this morning, and this video is late, by the way. This is supposed to have gone out on Sunday. I wasn't supposed to start running again until Sunday, but I decided last Saturday to start. So I put week one into last week, so only Saturday and Sunday though, which was a long run in the desert, hilly long run. I think I did 11.5k with 489 meters of elevation, followed by an easy run on Sunday, a 7.5k easy run. So week two actually started yesterday, Monday. So what does week two entail this week? So on the cards for this week, we had a nice easy walk yesterday afternoon. Probably at about 6.5k easy walk. I've been out this morning, 7.5k tempo run. That was quite interesting. I'm surprised I've paced myself on that. Tomorrow is nothing because I'm not actually strength training until next week. I agreed to the doctor that I wouldn't start till next week. So I'll probably just go out and do some time on feet, probably put another 6k walk in. Thursday then is a 9k easy run in the system to do. Followed by Friday. Again, Friday would normally be a strength training day, but again, we're not starting that till next week, so that'll be more time on feet. I think we're actually thinking of going over to Yas Bay, so it might be a good excuse to go walk over there actually, before we have a couple of drinks. Saturday, back to the desert, more hills, more long run. So I think this week I'm looking at about 14k. The trouble is with Birdcage Hill, go up and down it, up, down, up and down is one lap. That's about 5.5k, so I think I'm going to have to do that 3 times. So chances are I'm going to do more like 16.5k, I think. And then back to Sunday again, it'll be another easy run. I think it's 7.5k. It's to finish the week off. So let's see how this goes. Feeling good after my operation actually. The eye is recovered well, and I think we should be on for, hopefully on for July. I said I think, it's a long way to go. I've got a couple of B races in the diary. One of them is actually not this weekend coming, the weekend after. It's a 15k cross-country run in Dubai. I'm not sure what to expect there. I think it's just in the grounds of a hotel more than a cross-country as such. Certainly not cross-country that we know in the UK. It's probably more a couple of trails and a bit of grass and some paving as well. But it'll be, it's better than doing anything. Gives you the race mindset, I suppose. And then at the moment, the next one after that is the London Landmarks Half Marathon in April, which I signed up for a charity. But I'm hoping Peak Sports, who did the Goat Ultra Trail in Ras Al Khaimah, I'm hoping that they're going to run their Ramadan night run. It's in their website as the 28th of February, but there's nothing online yet to allow you to apply for it. So I really hope they do that, because I'm sure that'll be good fun in the desert at night. But let's see. Other than that, that's the only B races in my diary at present. Obviously, you get into sort of March, April here, people tend to stop doing the races. But we do get mile running then, so I might have to resort to mile running if I want to do any races. Anyway, that's it for this week. That's this week's update, albeit 2 days late. I shall try and get it out on Sunday next week. In the meantime, have a good week. Catch you next weekend.